Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw UML diagrams inside of Draw.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically we've got two different ways how to do this. So first step is to open up Draw.io. Now after that, I'm just going to get rid of this template. Alright, so I've got a blank canvas here. So the first way, which is the easiest way, is to go ahead and click on the Arrange tab at the top and then click onto Insert. From there, we want to go ahead and click on the template. Now we've got all the template, we've got a template pop up here. Now on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. Go ahead and click on the UML template and then find the template you want to use. This, like I said, this is the quickest and easiest way, and this is fully customizable. So you can view these templates by clicking on the magnifying glass and looking at all the different templates. Now if you like any one of these, we can go ahead and click onto it, make sure it's highlighted by blue and click on insert. Now once it's inserted, you can go ahead and customize this by highlighting, or we can change all the style in here, the color, so you can play around with that. We can also change the text, the font, and we can make it bold if we like, change the height and all that fun stuff. Okay, so the next way is the manual way, and this is going to be a lot more tedious. So we've got to make sure we got UML 2.5 and UML tabs enabled here. So to do this, if you don't see what on my screen, go ahead and click on more shapes. Under software, scroll down, make sure UML and UML 2.5 is selected, hit apply, and then you're going to see these tabs here. Now from here, we can go ahead and expand these tabs, and you can see all the shapes inside of here. So you go ahead and add in your shapes like so. Now we can, if I want to connect this with this one, I'm going to drag this arrow of that. I can zoom in by hitting control and my mouse wheel to zoom in and out. So yeah, have a big play around with all these different shapes and create your own UML diagrams manually.